Hi, this is Sophia Mariam Hila. I'm from I'm from Philippines, but I'm gonna show you a tour of a tour of my Barbie house. So here is the front of the house. Have the door there, the pink door. Ding dong. So the door handle here. Just open it. So here is the inside of the house. So here we have the living room. Have a couch and we have the couch and two pillows there and his table, and we have the rose there. It's table again, the rose, and that's the telephone. And here is the dining room. Have the 4 chairs. Here's Barbie's chair. Here is Skipper's chair, and this is Chelsea's chair, and this is Stacy's chair. So this is for the dining room. So let's have a cake and spaghetti there. And this is for the amazing part. Press this button and it will turn. Turn to a cupcake. Now let's turn it to spaghetti. And this is for the dining room, and we have another table. It just can't because all of the things is removed. So here is the kitchen. We have this gas, the stove, the stove, the kettle stickers there, and here's the pan, the fireplace. So here we have the pepper and the salt plates and cups there, and here's the soap and we have the sink there, the plates, and here's the fridge, and these are noodles, and here is the 2 breakfast table, the 1 table, and just the 2 table, and this is for the kitchen. So let's go now to Barbie's bedroom. So here is Barbie's bedroom. So many things. And here is Barbie's hangers, and this is Barbie's tree hanger. And here is Barbie's have a rose and 2 pillows. You can see what is inside. I think this was my other house. Look, you can't see it. Okay, wait a minute. Just now, there. Have this one right there, and this Barbie's flower. Let's see the other. That is Rainbow's dish. This is Rainbow things. This Rainbow's t-shirt and Rainbow's. That's Rainbow's rainbow. And here is Barbie's sink with the mirror and the lamp and the bar soap. And here is the 2 nails, and the Barbie's blower, and the ball for rainbow, and the stand. So here is Barbie's closet, big closet. Barbie's gown, Barbie's belt, and so here is Rainbow's bed. There, and here is Barbie's slippers, and here's Barbie's shoes. It's Rainbow her cat. Here is Rainbow's bed. is Barbie's bed. Here's Barbie's pillow. Here's Barbie's bed. There. Here's Barbie. So many perfumes on the telephone. Here's Barbie's telephone. And here is Barbie's flat screen TV and have the dust there and the star Polly Pocket and the Barbie's tube. And here is Barbie's trophy, Barbie's mirror, Barbie's lamp, and that is Barbie's coat, Barbie's big hair. Here is the picnic bag for the picnic bag, happy birthday bag, and Barbie's yellow butterfly bag. There's Barbie's makeup there, and here is Barbie's accessories, Barbie's guitar, and Barbie's book. And this is for Barbie's room. So let's go now to Skipper's room. So here we have now Skipper's bedroom. Here's Skipper's bed with Hello Kitty. Here is Toffee. This girl. Here is Bella. And have a cup there. Bella is eating her food there. Bowl there and stand. Here's and the stickers there, and now this is for Skipper's. So let's go now to Stacy's room. So here is Stacy's room. So here is Stacy's TV. And here is Stacy's bed. Stacy have a cow that name is Lala and his Barbie. Stacy's bed, and here is Stacy's big brush there. Here is Stacy's bed and Stacy's telephone. And now that's it for Stacy's room. So let's now go to Chelsea's room. So here is Chelsea's bedroom. So many things more than Stacy and Skipper. Here is Chelsea's bedroom. It's Chelsea's bed, pencil case, and here's Chelsea's teddy bear. This is her. And here is her. This is her pet. It's named Pink Pie, and Pink Pie's bed. And it's 2 dresses, and this Chelsea's TV. I don't know. Here's Chelsea. I said to Chelsea. Chelsea has 2 closets and 1 table there, and here's Chelsea's toys. That's 2 here. Yes, and that's Chelsea's telephone. It's the bag, the ribbon, and the comb. Here is it. The mirror, and here is the comb. Here is the comb. I'm sorry, it's always falling down. Just put this there. It's the blush. Now it's now back. I'll just return the falling down. No. So that's all for Chelsea's room. So now let's go to the parking area. So here is the parking area. You have the 3 chairs there. You have the car and the seat. So that's also. Now we're done. Just get the side mirror. And now we're done. So bye.